Today I will show you how to fix this problem on your Instagram, easy and quick. Just watch and follow this video till the end. You don't need to open your Instagram, open the settings of your device. Click next on apps option, search right now for Instagram and click on it when you will see it. You will find this list, scroll it down, click storage and click clear cache. Now back, click on force stop, click OK. So go directly to your Play Store or App Store. Open it and search for Instagram. If you found the update button, you should update your Instagram. If you didn't find the update available, so you don't need, next you should restart here your device and your problem will be solved. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. Also, if you have any question, just type it down in comments. See you in next video.